Okay, so just assembled my bike from the bike box, and this time I'm going to use the seat post adapter, this D, because this is a D-shaped seat post, and it has no eyelets, so it's a little tricky, so you need the seat post adapter. Okay, so if you guys saw my last video, I was using the fender bolt back here, and now I'm going to use the seat post adapter. So if you want to see how to do the fender bolt, rack style, watch my other video. Yeah, so this will be for the other one. Actually, I think I gotta take this one off. So after you slip the D-ring post adapter onto the seat post, just put that seat post right back on the frame. And then, yeah, later you want to tighten this down to 5 Newton meters as it's in spec. Then you put on the rear rack, just use your screws and just screw it in. Make sure you got to flip that chipset, which I show in the other video, so just watch that if you don't know how to do it. And then, yeah, the top bolts are ready to be mounted onto that seat post, stabilizing it all. And then to top it all off, all I did was take a level and make sure that the rear rack was all level. And that's pretty much it. After you do that, you should be pretty much ready to go. Just tighten things down, and yeah. Solid, that's not going nowhere. Okay. Well, I think that just about does it for this guy. So yeah, like I said, if you want to watch the other way to do it, where I mounted it from the fender bolt, I can show you that. Just watch the other video, and also how to flip these guys. You have to watch that in the other video. Been commuting to work every day with this setup and here in America, and I'm not sure which style I like better. Both seem to work well. I did notice my seat was going down a little bit. I tightened it to the required 5 Newton meters, but maybe I got to go a little tighter with the rear rack there. Anyway, it works. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Good luck. Godspeed.